Here let us see, find the remainder when x cube plus 1 is divided by x plus 1. So here let us assume p of x equal to x cube plus 1. What is the linear polynomial? X plus 1. First let us find 0 of x plus 1. To find the 0 of x plus 1, take x plus 1 equal 0. Then what happened? Find x value. Take this plus 1 right side, transpose to right side. Plus 1 becomes minus 1. 0 minus 1, that is minus 1. Now, what is x value? Minus 1. What is the remainder? Put this x value in polynomial. That is p of minus 1 is the remainder. How can you find p of minus 1? Substitute x value in the polynomial. X cube means minus 1 whole cube plus 1. That means minus 1 whole cube is minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 equal to 0. So here 0 is the remainder. In this remainder theorem, if you get remainder 0, then x plus 1 is a factor of polynomial x cube plus 1. If you are not getting 0, then that linear polynomial is not a factor. So this you have to remember. That is the use of the remainder theorem. While finding a remainder by using remainder theorem, if you get remainder is 0, then that linear polynomial is the factor of the given polynomial. If you are getting the remainder is not equal to 0, then that is not a factor. Let us see one more problem. Here see, check whether x minus 2 is a factor of polynomial. How can you decide this x minus 2 is a factor of this polynomial or not? That means first find the remainder when the polynomial is divided by x minus 2. If you get the remainder is 0, then x minus 2 is a factor. If you get remainder is not equal to 0, then x minus 2 is not a factor. So let us take here given polynomial is now to find the remainder, take the linear polynomial x minus 2. Find 0 of the x minus 2. That means take x minus 2 equal 0 and find x value. To find x value, take this minus 2 right side. That becomes minus 2 becomes plus 2. 0 plus 2. What is 0 plus 2? 2. Now substitute this x value in the polynomial, that is the remainder. Let us see. What is the remainder? Substitute this x value in the polynomial. That is p of 2. So replace x by 2. That is 2 cube minus 2 into 2 square minus 5 into 2 plus 4. That is 2 cube is 8 minus 2 into 2 square is 4 minus 5 2 is a 10 plus 4. 8 minus 2 4 is a 8 minus 10 plus 4 plus 8 minus 8 get cancelled. That means indirectly 8 minus 8 0. Now minus 10 plus 4. What is minus 10 plus 4? Biggest number 10. 10 has symbol minus, right? Symbol minus. Subtract smaller from bigger. 10 minus 4, 6. So what you are getting here remainder? Minus 6. It is not equal to 0. So x minus 2 is not a factor of polynomial. If you get remainder 0, then x minus 2 is a factor. So here remainder is not equal to 0. So it is not a factor. Let us see another problem. Let us see one more problem. If the polynomials x cube plus ax square plus 5 and x cube minus 2x square plus a are two polynomials divided by x plus 2, leave the same remainder, then find the value of a. These two polynomials are divided by x plus 2 and give same remainder. Then find the value of a. So let us take these two polynomials are, one is f of x. F of x equal to x cube plus ax square plus 5. Okay. Next, another one is g of x. G of x equal to x cube minus 2x square plus a. So what is the given linear polynomial? X plus 2. Now here we find out the remainder. To find the remainder, let us find the 0 of x plus 2. To find the 0 of x plus 2, take x plus 2 equals 0. That is x equal to 0 plus 2 becomes minus 2. That is 0 minus 2 is minus 2. Now to find the remainders, substitute this x value minus 2 in the polynomials. The remainders are same. So f of remainder of the first polynomial is f of minus 2. Remainder of the second polynomial is g of minus 2. Both are same. So g of minus 2. What is f of minus 2? Substitute x equal to minus 2. That is minus 2 whole cube plus a into x square minus 2 whole square plus 5. G of minus 2. Replace x by minus 2. X cube minus 2 whole cube minus 2 into x square minus 2 whole square plus a. Now let us find a value. Minus 2 whole cube minus power odd minus 2 cube 8 plus a minus 2 power 2. That is minus power even plus 2 square 4. Minus 2 whole cube minus 8 minus 2 of minus 2 whole square 4 plus a. Both on the equal right hand side, left hand side, both terms are equal. We can cancel. Minus 8 we can be cancelled. Here what is 4a plus 5 equal to minus 8 plus a. So to find the a value, the a term should be one side. Take this a, transpose this a to left hand side. That is 4a plus a becomes minus a. Transpose plus 5 to right side. Plus 5 becomes minus 5. Already minus 8 is there. Plus 5 becomes minus 5. 4a minus a is 3a. Minus 8 minus 5 is minus 13. So that is a equal to minus 13 by 3. By taking this 3 right side, that is a value. What is the a value? Minus 13 by 3. So this is the answer. So using this remainder theorem, you have to do the exercise 2.3. So this is your today's work. Do these problems. Okay na?